guys, hello. So I got different kind of color lenses in my eye. This is the second one I got, and this is the Secret Garden Maxi Eyes, and they are monthly lenses. So this color is Nymph Fairy Blue, and this is the package. I don't know if you can see the color. Well, this is the Nymph Blue on my eye, and it's a little bit green blue with brown. So yeah, I don't know. Excuse me for my face and my red nose. Yeah, I have the cold, and yeah, it take ages for me to put those kind of lenses in, because I don't wear any contact lenses or color lenses every day. So well, this is the result with one, and I will put the second one in, and then I will show you the result with both of the color lenses. Okay, this is how it looks like, and yeah, I don't know, it's yeah, I don't know, it's beautiful, but is it Nymph Blue? I don't know. Nymph Fairy Blue. Do I look like a fairy? I don't know. You can decide. But yeah, this is the result. So voila.